Happy Friday, first grade. Okay, I wanted to tell you guys that we offer our online work this week. It's going to be very, very simple because I am so proud of you guys making it through an entire week with all of your friends and with all the new stuff that we had to do. So for today, you're going to do a reading video and answer some questions, do your Scholastic news, and then just get on iReady Reading and iReady Math for a little bit. So you're going to listen to this story. If you go ahead and press play, you're going to listen to this story. It's called The Bad Seed. And when you're done with that, I want you to answer some of these questions. So it says, where would the bad seed put the cart? So you're going to move the cart if you would put the bad seed here or if you would put it here. Okay, and you're just going to put it over the X. How did the other seeds react to the bad seed's jokes? So you're going to circle the correct answer. Did they react to it like this, or do they react to it like, haha, it's so funny? It says, where does the bad seed stand at in line? Does he stand in the back? You'll just move him, or does he stand in the front? And then I want you to type in here in this box how you can be a good seed at home and at school. And then the last thing you're going to do, this was sent home in your red folder last night. So you're going to go through and you're going to read and answer the questions. That is it. I hope you guys have a great Friday. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.